What a life. I have so much money. What am I going to do with all this money? Buy a car. I think I need some clothes for work. I don't know, I just have so much money. What was my sister saying? Today? Tomorrow? Serving God? I don't remember what she was saying. We can do that next week. I have time next week, but not today.
Jesus said, "Here I stand, won't you please let me in?" And you said, "I will tomorrow." Jesus said, "I am He who supplies all your needs." And you said, "I know, but tomorrow, tomorrow, I'll give my life. Tomorrow, I thought about today, but it's so much easier to say tomorrow. Who promised you tomorrow? Better choose the Lord today, for tomorrow very well might be too late. Jesus said, "Here I stand, won't you please take my hand?" And you said, "I will tomorrow." Jesus said, "I am He who supplies all your needs." And you said, "I know, but tomorrow,